Your car breaks down, just stops on the side of the road. What's the first thing that you do? You probably try to fix it, and you quickly realize that it's not gonna go so well because it's outside of your expertise. Maybe if it was something simple like a flat tire or an oil change, you can handle it. But in humans, everything is complex. And yet, when your body starts to break down, or when it starts to go in a direction that you don't want it to go, for some reason, everybody tries to Google their way out of it. They guess. Or they go to their Uncle Tim, who was able to lose 100 pounds, and ask for advice on what he did. Neither of those things are gonna get you to where you need to go. What you need is an expert, somebody who knows. Why do we take our car to an expert, to a mechanic, to get things fixed, where we could just buy another one, but our bodies, the most important thing we have, we decide, nah, I'm gonna figure it out on Google. It's crazy when you really think about it. So my advice to you is don't guess. Don't ask some random person who had success with just themselves. Go to an expert. Go to somebody who has helped hundreds of people. Somebody who went to school for a long time to do what they're doing, and ask them to coach you, to be a mentor, and to help get you to where you're trying to go.